Hello everyone, this is Secret Tempest Tarot. Today I'm going to do reading from Aries to Virgo. This reading will be about the current energy and current feeling towards the person. And timestamp will be given in the description box. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Aries, you may be dealing with earth sign or a water sign. I see you having a lot of emotion towards them, but I see you stepping back and just not taking action towards them. Because I see you juggling, maybe there are two persons, it can be a earth sign or a water sign you're juggling with. There may be two offers here, but I see you not making judgment regarding that. You have not decided between both here. For others, it's like you wanting to move forward with them, but I see you moving slowly. There may be stagnation between you both. You're juggling whether to offer them this offer or not. So you're still juggling, you've not decided it. So that's what I see, Aries. So Taurus, you may be dealing with Libra, Taurus or air sign. So you're wanting a commitment or a long-term thing with them, with the person you're dealing with. You may be stressed regarding that. You may be thinking whether you need a commitment with this individual or not. So you may be making delays regarding that. Instead, I see you stalking them from far. It can be a social media or asking friends. So it's like some people you may be not in speaking terms, right? So I see you just stalking them. You see them as the Empress. So you see them as the one, but there's some kind of a delay. So that's what I see, Taurus. Gemini, you may be dealing with earth sign. So whomever you're dealing with, you're wanting to end things with them. So you're ending a cycle with them. You see them as a toxic connection. So you're not happy with the connection here. You may be feeling sad regarding a past situation or something with them. So I see you blocking them. I don't see you speaking with them for the most people. I don't see you speaking with them. I see you wanting to end things with them here. So that's what I see, Gemini. So Cancer, you may be dealing with a fire sign, strong fire sign energy here. So it's like you are walking away from a connection or a commitment with them. So I see more than commitment. I see that you may be friends with them, or it can be a friends with benefit kind. I see you walking away from that because you're conflict judge. For some, it can be a situation where more than one person involved here. So I see you walking from that conflict or a connection, and I see you being independent and taking care of yourself. I see you just being in your control here. So that's what I see, Cancer. Leo, you may be dealing with a strong water sign or a Libra. So I see here that this can be a karmic connection for some. I see you feeling stuck in your thoughts. I see you overthinking a situation here. I see you having a lot of emotion towards an individual here. And I see you wanting to give or wanting to make things right with them. In the past, maybe there was no equal give and take in this connection, but now you want to make things right with them. For some, I see that you have ended some connection and I see you wanted to take care of yourself for some. So that's what I see, Cancer. Virgo, you may be leaving a situation here and moving forward. So I see you not wanting to accept any kind of offer from this person, whomever you're dealing with. It can be a long term or anything. You're not accepting that. So you have made a judgment to leave a situation and move forward. So I see you leaving this person behind and moving forward here. You may have waited for the long time for this person, but now you're no more waiting. I see you moving forward here. So that's what I see, Virgo.